Hello, I'm in a 2017 Jeep Wrangler, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So you just walk up to the front here, and then there's these little tabs that you'll pull down, one on each side. And then now that it's loose, there's a lever here that pulled from each side. There's also this handy handy little kind of arm here that'll hold up the hood now that I got it open. But yeah, once I pop the side tabs off, this is the lever I pushed over. It'll lift it the rest of the way. A little easier with two hands is a suggestion, but yep, that's the process to get it open. And to make sure everything's in proper alignment, nothing's bent out of place that could cause issues. But a pretty simple system. It's just these things holding it in. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.